Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this review of Kiss nail dress fashion that sticks on your nails. So I'm trying this for the first time, so let's see how it works. And in this pack I have got this beautiful print of nails. You can see here prints of the nails you can have of your choice. I think KDS05, which I am going to try it for the first time, so let's see how it works. And they also have given this nail filer, so if you have like uneven nails you can file them properly. So yeah, they have given here some steps. Select size that fits your nail, apply near knot on cuticle and smooth away from the center, and fold down over the edge and file excess. Let's try what they're saying. So yeah, I think these are going to fit my nails. Looks a little big, but I will try it. Let's see. I think I'll go with this one for my. This is the way they have asked, so this doesn't fit in, so probably I'll try this one. And yeah, it sticks and then oops, sorry, I'll just trim this. Like that, and it sticks like that. Little weird. I think you need to have little long nails, or then you have to do the exact measurement for these kind of nails. So yeah, this is really quick and it really sticks properly, so I'm going to try it quickly on my nails and that. Yeah, so let's try to fix all of these first, and then I'm going to trim them off. Okay, this is so quick. If you are going out for a party or something, you don't have to have time to apply your nail paints in advance or something like that. You can just put this in your car and just apply it whenever it's possible. So yeah, this will happen. So let's cut them off first. We can save this for the next time. I don't know when. Okay. So let's cut it. Then. They are so thin, let me tell you friends, they are not as thick as your nail. So it's like a paper you're just cutting. And yeah, this looks pretty good with that. And I don't know why they have given this, because okay, let me try it out. There's no use of this actually, because it is very thin and it moves, and the sticker is also not that, see what happens here. Just one time use. It's just one time use friends, but they have said here that it lasts up to 10 days. If you can see here, no dry time, fills all the nails, last up to 10 days. I'm not sure whether this is going to last for 10 days. Not at all, I don't think so. You need to have little longer nails for all this kind of stuff, maybe, but frankly speaking, I'm not so happy with this product, because this doesn't have that strength in the glue. Maybe you can apply the stick-ons which has both side glue and you can stick it properly, but the glue in itself is not that durable because this is going to come off after some time. So yeah, there you go, my pretty nails are here. So hope you like my video. I would say this is a bad product for me. It looks good though, but it is not going to last for a long time, at least not for 10 days. So if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and watch my other videos too. You'll have fun on my channel. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.